Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. We're gonna make some more ground beef jerky. Yes, we are. I've done a video on this before. We're gonna do it again because everybody loved it. It's a huge hit. It's gonna be great, you're gonna love it. That last time I made this, it was eaten in a day. The next time I made it, it was eaten in a day. Yeah, people love it. And today we're just gonna throw together the marinade, put it in the fridge, and we're gonna start dehydrating tomorrow. For our marinade today, we're gonna be using some Stubbs spicy barbecue, some Louisiana hot sauce, some Habanero hot sauce, Dale's all-purpose steak seasoning, crushed red pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some cure, because there is a little bit of fat in the meat, so we wanna make sure it doesn't go rancid. All right, let's get started. For today's ground beef jerky, we're actually beginning using ground water buffalo. I've got 5 pounds. Yes, 5 pounds. I'm gonna start with draining the meat out of these vacuum sealed bags, because water buffalo can be a little bit bloody. Put that in a colander. And this pack too. Everything I just added is in the description. I'm at Campbell.
You're at Campbell? Wow, this shit.
You like hot dogs?
Yes, I do.
I'm more of a corn dog man myself. I once ate a foot-long corn dog on New Beach. I'll never do that again. What age did you lose your virginity?
I'm not gonna discuss that.
Friday, that's the longest one.
Oh, really?
Yep, it's gonna be a C-section.
I understand. I totally understand. I was supposed to be a big-time agent in Hollywood. Luckily, postponed.
So you're an actor?
Yep. No.
It's a lap belt. Just pretend you're on an airplane. I'll give you a flight attendant.
Why is the flight attendant flying a plane?
Because I've killed the pilot and taken over the plane. You're my hostage. Oh, it smells spicy. I can't taste it because it's raw. This is gonna be spicy.
It's gonna be good.
This is going in this container. Everything I just added is in the description. Okay. All right, folks, this is going in the fridge, covered. Tomorrow, we'll let it marinate overnight, and tomorrow we're going to dehydrate it. See y'all then. Okay, time to dehydrate the ground beef jerky. We got distracted. Restaurant in the other town had crawfish, so late start. Let's get going. This is the meat we've been having marinating overnight, and I'm gonna put it on this. I've got parchment paper on top of a cutting board. We're gonna try to get this thin, like as thin as possible, like 1/4 inch thick thin.
Are you recording?
Yes, but I'm making it all silent because I can't play that because that was somebody singing. Obviously, the rolling pin didn't work, so I'm just using my gloved hands to smoosh it down as best I can to get as thin as I can. All right, let's cut.
Looks good. Is that the whole 5 pounds?
No, it's not sticking together, so what I'm gonna do
Make patties.
is make a patty out of it.
If it was beef, it probably sticks together better. But being that water buffalo, I bet. Next time use beef.
It'll be good. Watch, you're gonna find out.
Oh, I know it'll be good. I got faith in you.
Patties. Could have saved myself some time doing all this.
Right?
I knew I was gonna do that. Houston Texans won, so they're in the playoffs. They really did a good job. Good job, boys. I'm gonna fill up however many trays I have and show you what I'm doing next. I'm gonna throw this on there and just cook it
Oh, okay.
like a patty and see what it tastes like. Curious. I'm gonna do it on medium heat. Just some olive oil in a pan with a patty. Okay, I'm using my limb and I'm gonna put it on 6 hours. And my first tray is going in. Ta-da! There it is. It's going in there. Yeah. Right there. So this is obviously cooked different than dehydrated. I just want to taste it for flavor. Get a nice little bite. It's good. It's not really spicy. but then it has an after spice to it. Bobby's fixing to taste it. Okay, so after tasting what we cooked on the skillet, which obviously dehydrated meat and meat cooked on a skillet is gonna taste way different. We're gonna do a little bit more because we like spicy. So we're adding more ground black pepper to each patty. More cayenne. No. Well, just wanted a little bit, but there we go. Some more crushed red pepper. And yeah, don't do that and then touch your face, because So what we're gonna do instead of the rolling pin and the pizza cutter and all that is
I get to do it by hand while she watches me.
smooch it down into patties and put it on the trays.
So where do you find a cow with no legs?
Where?
Wherever you left it.
Okay.
She still don't get it.
So who do y'all think is gonna win the Super Bowl?
Nobody knows who's gonna be there yet.
Let us know in the comments who you think's gonna get there and who you think's gonna win.
Cowboys. Oh wait.
These, by the way, make an excellent Super Bowl party snack. Just saying. Or any kind of playoff game snack or any kind of snack. Okay, so we have 4 trays. This one's not all the way full. And they're going in here for an hour, and then I'm gonna take them out in an hour and pat them dry, flip them, turn them, and continue. When they're done, they're done. Okay, it's been an hour. Take this tray out. Some paper towels. Pat it dry. And that fat off. I'm gonna flip these over. They are not done yet. We're gonna pat this side off. Just getting that grease off. So now I'm gonna, this came from the top, I'm gonna turn it and put it on the bottom. And proceed with the next 4 trays. We're gonna do this pretty much almost every 1 to 2 hours until it's done. Okay, we should be done. Let's have a look. These are done. Done. That's yummy. And it doesn't stick in between your teeth. Very good. Let me second, I'm gonna weigh this and I'll tell you how much weight 5 pounds yielded. All right, I already carried this scale. So we yielded 2 pounds. 5 pounds of meat turned into 2 pounds of beef jerky. So much for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out this next video I'm about to drop.